The Code on Social Security 2020 is India's new framework to provide social security to workers while making compliance simpler for employers. Let's understand what it means for your business. Earlier, employers had to deal with multiple social security laws. The new code combines them into one simple system, making compliance easier and expanding coverage to more workers. Earlier, PF coverage depended on the type of business. Now, if you employ 20 or more people, PF applies. This clarity reduces disputes and litigation. If your business has multiple departments or branches, even in different locations, they will be treated as one establishment for Social Security compliance. Apprentices engaged under company standing orders must now be treated as employees and covered under Social Security benefits. Wages now include basic pay, DA and certain allowances.
If excluded allowances exceed 50% of total pay, will be treated as wages for contribution purposes.
If a business closes, employers must apply for cancellation of registration. The code provides a clear exit process. No PF assessment can be started after 5 years from the date on which amount is alleged to have been due from employer. This gives certainty and protects employers from old and indefinite disputes. All ongoing PF inquiries under the old law must be completed by November 2027. Earlier, PF authorities could review their own orders or reopen cases to assess escaped amounts. Under the new code, this provision has been removed. This stops repeated reopening of the same case and gives employers clarity, closure, and peace of mind.
To appeal against an order, employers must deposit 25% of the assessed amount instead of the earlier rate of 75%.
This balances fairness and accountability.
Inspectors are now both inspectors and facilitators.
Inspections will be online, transparent, and focused on helping employers comply.
Employers get a prior opportunity before prosecution.
Most offences now attract fines instead of imprisonment, encouraging voluntary compliance. Serious offences like not depositing employee contributions or submitting false information still attract strict penalties. Certain first-time violations can be settled by paying a penalty, helping employers avoid lengthy court proceedings. Only large and financially strong establishments can apply for PF exemptions, ensuring employee funds remain safe. Current PF, pension, and insurance schemes will continue until new schemes are notified or till November 2026, whichever is earlier. The Code on Social Security 2020 aims to protect workers while making compliance simpler and more transparent for employers. When employers comply, everyone benefits.